For this third grade small group, you're going to continue to count by fractions, and then we're going to tell time to the hour, half hour, and then extend it to the quarter hour today, and then connect it back again to fractions. Just like before, start off with their halves strip, even if they're not getting to the others. This one is a really foundational one. And talk to them. Okay, always. Are they equal parts? Yes. How many? 2. When there are 2 equal parts, we call them halves. What do we call them? Halves. Everybody did the starting point. Here we're at 0 halves, 1 half, 2 halves, which is one whole rectangle. 2 halves, 1 half, 0 halves. Then you could go to their fourths. Same question. Are they equal parts? 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, 4 fourths, 3 fourths, 2 fourths, 1 fourth, 0 fourths. And it's up to you. The more you can point out that equivalence to a half and a whole, the better. But depending on time and the need to get to other things, you might not hit on that every time. If you get a chance, get to the eighths. Again, equal pieces. How many? 8. And then 0 eighths, 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths, 1 half, 5 eighths, 6 eighths, 7 eighths, and 8 eighths. After that, we're going to review time to the hour, half hour, and then introduce it to the quarter hour and connect that to fractions. So again, like before, if this is a clock that is to the half hour, then I would ask them, all right, where is the short hour hand? It's between the 9 and the 10. Is it to the 10 yet? No. So it is still 9. Now, if I'm looking at the clock and I'm thinking about it as if it were split into fourths or quarters, it would be equal parts if I split it from the 12 down to the 6, and then from the 9 over to the 3. So if the minute hand were at the 12, that's always the o'clock. If it was at the 3, we could say it's quarter past, half past, quarter till o'clock. A lot of people don't really talk that way anymore. That's a little antiquated. It's a little old. So the other thing that we do is if this minute hand is pointing at any number other than the 12 means that it's our o'clock, then just like there are 5 fingers on my hands, each of these numbers on the clock stands for 5 minutes. So we would go around the clock. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In this case, it shows 9, because it's not 10 yet, 30. Now, you'll go ahead and point this out with both clocks that are to the hour and to the quarter hour that have the minute hand pointing either at the 3 or at the 9, and talking through that with them. And getting them to understand the concept behind it so that hopefully they can automatically start saying things like 9:15, 4:45, 7:30, but them understanding the concept behind it. Again, they should have had this in the past, at least to the half hour. However, it's still a really, really good review for them to have. So as much explanation and example as you can get to the hour, half hour, and quarter hour today, the better. Thank you.